guys, today at Track and Tread we're gonna do smoke ball jumping. It's pretty much the 4th of July, so we're gonna do some fireworks, and it's gonna be some slow motion, cool smoke ball fireworks with 3 people jumping off.
All right, light them up.
It'll be pretty fun. We're doing some fireworks after this.
Yep.
It's gonna be a fun time.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah,
We did a good job.
This is gonna be our biggest ramp show. Somebody
Yeah.
else is
Comment down below if you think that was insane.
over there. Somebody else with a
Plus,
And put a thumbs up.
in the top of the video, so yeah.
All right, thanks, boys. Happy 4th of July.
Let's go.